Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If it's your first time here, hello, my name is Jessica. Subscribe to my channel, and while you're at it, don't forget to turn on that notification bell. That way you can be notified every time I upload a brand new video. And if you're feeling generous, give me a follow on my socials. I would greatly appreciate it. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing two different eyeshadow looks using these two new palettes from Urban Decay. In case you missed my last video, I did share an unboxing of these palettes. I showed you guys the inside. I gave you guys all the details, swatches, and all that good stuff. So if you are interested in learning more about these, make sure that you check that video out, because in this video, I'm solely going to be focused on creating the eye looks. So if you guys want to see the eyeshadow looks that I came up with using each of these palettes, then just keep on watching. Since today's video is going to be solely focusing on the eyes, I went ahead and did my base makeup off camera. So now we're going to jump into the first eyeshadow palette that I'm going to be using, which is the Naked Mucho Happy palette. And just a quick reminder, this is the one that has all of the warm tones with this fun pop of blue and yellow. So let's get started. So I'm going to challenge myself to use every single one of these eyeshadows to create today's look. So I'm going to start with this shade right here called Blast, and I'm going to apply that to the crease. Now going in with this shade right here called Partay, I'm going to be applying that to the inner lid and the mid lid. So like from here forward. Now I'm going to take this shade right here called Spritzer, and I'm going to apply that to the outer corner of the eye, blending it in with the shade that we just put down. Now I'm going in with this color right here called Psyched, and I'm going to apply that to the brow bone of the eye using a pencil brush. So now we're going to use the fun bold colors in the palette. I'm going to start with this shade right here called Cyber Smile. I'm going to take that color on a smudger brush, and I'm going to blow this out on the lower lash line to add some beautiful color. Now taking the last shade in the eyeshadow palette called Smiley, I'm going to take that with that same pencil brush. I just cleaned it off. I'm going to take that and I'm going to apply it to the inner corner of the eye. So as I'm applying the shade to my inner corner, I'm noticing that it's not as vibrant as it is in the palette, but that's perhaps because I don't have a white base down first. I think if I were to do that, it'd be a lot more vibrant, but I don't mind that it's not like crazy in your face because it's subtle and you can still see it. It's just not really intense. But if you wanted to go for a more intense yellow, then using a white base would be the way to go. After applying lashes and mascara, here is the finished makeup look using the Urban Decay Naked Mini Mucho Happy palette. What do you guys think of this makeup look? Let me know down in the comments. I would love to know. In my opinion, this look is very much giving summer. I feel like these colors are very fun, very vibrant, which is what I think of when I think of the summer season. So that is what this look is giving. So now let's do another eye look using the Chill Happy eyeshadow palette. Now onto the Urban Decay Naked Mini eyeshadow palette in Chill Happy. The inside of this one has lots of berry tones right here. As you can see, they're all really beautiful. There's only two mattes, all the rest are shimmers. And just like the last eyeshadow palette, I'm going to challenge myself to use every single shade in this palette to create the eye look. So I'm going to take this shade right here, Modern Mystic, and I'm going to apply that all along the crease. Now I'm going to take this shade right here called Upper and apply it to the crease right below where we blended out that first color. Now I'm going to take this shade right here called Fire and apply it to the outer corner, bringing it up towards the shade Upper. I'm going to dip back into the shade Upper and blend out Fire and Upper right here in the crease. Next, I'm going to take this shade right here called Brainwave, and I'm going to apply that shade onto the lid using my finger. Then I'm going to switch over to a brush to get into the tight spaces. Dipping back into the shade Upper, I'm going to blend out this inner corner right here. For the lower lash, I'm going to go into the shade Upper on a pencil brush, and I'm going to smudge this on the lower lash line. Now using a different pencil brush, I'm going to go into the shade Fire, and I'm going to run that also on the lower lash line, but keeping it a little bit tighter to the actual waterline. And I'm going to be switching between brushes to apply more of the upper shade and so on and so forth. So just kind of switching back and forth until I get the desired look that I like. Until it looks a little something like that. Now on an angled liner brush, I'm going to take the shade Brainwave, which is that dark purple, and I'm going to apply this very, very close to the lower lash line, almost as if it were a liner. Going back in with the brush that I used for the shade Fire, I'm just going to blend that out a little bit. Now I'm going in with this shade right here called Paz, and I'm going to apply that color to the brow bone. Then I'm taking this final shade right here called Happy Trap, and I'm going to apply that color in the inner corner. So here are the eyes after applying lashes and mascara. Now I want to go in with this shade right here called Modern Mystic, and I want to try and apply this onto the cheeks as a blush because I feel like this color is so beautiful. And it'll also help to really tie this whole look together. I'm going to use this Flower Beauty brush, and I'm just going to try and like squish it down so that I can get right into the pan here. And now I have some right here on my brush. I'm going to actually put some on the palm of my hand to kind of help spread the product a little bit more, and then I'm just going to pounce it on my cheeks. This color is actually stunning. So here it is with the color on the cheek, and then here's the other cheek just so we can see the before And the after, this color is stunning. I knew it would make a good blush. I just knew it. As I'm blending this blush out, I'm kind of connecting it with the eyeshadow here just so it can kind of connect seamlessly to that transition color that we first laid down when we did the eye look. And here's the finished makeup look using the Urban Decay Chill Happy Naked Mini Eyeshadow Palette. I love how sultry this look turned out. I feel like the blush is just absolutely stunning. I might reach for this palette on a daily basis solely for this blush color or this eyeshadow color that I can wear as a blush because it's so stunning. I like how sultry it is. These tones are very delicious, if you will, since they are all berry tones. And I would just love to know what you guys think of this look down in the comments. And that basically wraps up the end of this video, you guys. So if you did enjoy watching this video, I'd appreciate it if you'd give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notification, that way you're notified every time I upload a brand new video. Thank you so much for being here, for watching and supporting. I appreciate you so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!